guys and dolls, it's just a quick catch-up video tonight at the farm. Lee's been busy away each evening doing bits and bobs. He's got the floor in and he's done all the bits of welding now to hold it in place, all bar a little bit in the front footwell. So yeah, that's one side done. We've still got the other side to cut out and replace that floor pan. And I think that's it then. And what after that, Lee? Oh, the heater channel for this side as well. So yeah, so we've got the heater channel in and the floor pan in that on the driver's side, and we're just going to do that on the passenger side. That's remaining to be done. And then yeah, and then do the little bits and bobs to get the car back on the road again. So yeah, I'll quickly show you it all painted up and stuff, and that's it. Brilliant. Thank you. Tacked into place, it's going to be welded. It's just a brief video. We're going to crack on with more stuff later on in the week. It's Christmas time coming up, so we'll be off work, so we have to put some more hours into it. I'll show you doing the other side of the floor pan, heater channel, and all the other little bits and bobs we've got to do to get it back on the road, get an MOT. So yeah, cheers for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, on Facebook as well, Take Our Travels, and subscribe to our YouTube page if you've not done so already.
Pornhub!
And Pornhub. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.
One day, baby, we'll be old. Oh, baby, we'll be old and think of all the stories that we could have told. One day, baby, we'll be old. Oh, baby, we'll be old and think of all the stories that we could have told.